Hello and welcome to my channel, Travels by Mika. This is my 7th day of my trip to Tunisia and Algeria. And on today's video, I will explore Annaba and take a train trip to Chihani. So why not join me as I travel around North Africa by train? I know most of you are here for the railway content, but first I have 30 seconds of non-railway video clips to share, starting with Annaba Port, and then a few of the various beaches of Annaba. Hello and welcome to day 7 of my 2-week trip to Tunisia and Algeria. This morning I've decided to take a short break away from the trains and to spend it down here on the beach in Annaba. This afternoon, however, I do intend to make a short local train journey from Annaba. So let's get the day started. And 30 more seconds of 2 of the more popular beaches in Annaba, after which it'll be all about trains. And now, the railway content begins, starting at Annaba station. So I've moved away from the beach now, as this is a holiday all about the railways of Tunisia and Algeria, and I've made my way back to Annaba station. It's going to be my first attempt at catching a domestic train in Algeria. Let's see how I get on. So I'm now on the platform at Annaba station. This is the 16:40 departure from Annaba. The plan is to go one stop on this train. It's very busy inside, but let's hop on board. So it turns out this was actually the 1700 departure, not the 1640. It was such a mad rush to get on the train that I would assume that this was the first one to depart. The one that just departed was the 1640. So this is the 1700 departure from Annaba.
الرش خلينا نخدموا الباب. يروح عليك روح ولدي لا يدي Vous allez partir avec? Vous allez partir avec nous?
So that was at Chihani station, and this train is now returning to Annaba. That does mean I have completed my first domestic train service here in Algeria, making Algeria my 105th country. I have travelled by train. I'll film what I can for this return journey, although it will be dark. I'll see you shortly at Annaba station. I am now back at Annaba station. That was my first trip on a domestic train here in Algeria. I hope you have enjoyed my video, and I'll see you tomorrow.